In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix. Duplicating a page is a great way to keep your design consistent and save time when you're building similar layouts across your site. We'll walk through it inside the Wix editor, and I'll point out exactly what to click so you can follow along with confidence. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, look toward the page controls. Open your site's pages list so you can see all the pages in your project. Select the page you want to duplicate to make sure it's active, then open its Options menu. In that menu, choose Duplicate. Wix will instantly create a copy of the selected page, typically adding Copy to the name so it's easy to spot. When the confirmation appears, click Done to close it and return to the editor. Next, let's repeat the process using the Full Site Pages panel so you see both paths. Open the Pages panel again so the complete list is visible. Find the page you want to copy, open its More Actions menu, and choose Duplicate. When prompted, confirm by clicking Duplicate Page. This creates another identical version, preserving the layout, sections, and design elements. When you see the success prompt, click Done to finish. At this point, your duplicated pages are part of the site draft, but they aren't live yet. To publish your changes, click Publish at the top of the editor. Wix will prepare and push your updates to the live site. When the publish confirmation appears, click Done to close it. Your duplicated pages are now available on the live version of your site. A few quick tips to make the most of duplicated pages. Use duplicates as starting templates for common layouts, like product pages, service descriptions, or landing pages, so you keep typography, spacing, and sections consistent. After duplicating, it's a good idea to rename each page clearly and update the page content, images, and links so visitors see the right information. If your site navigation is auto-generated, decide whether the new page should appear in the menu or remain hidden while you work. Also, remember that duplicate pages copy design elements, but they don't automatically adjust SEO settings, review titles, descriptions, and URL slugs, so each page is unique and search-friendly. Finally, preview the page on mobile